Intro.
You can do the intro, Reese?
Hey guys.
That's what he thinks I sound like.
No, I could do one better, but I'm not going to.
Come on.
Do it. Let's see.
Hey guys.
Does that sound like me?
Hey guys, we're at 12 Wings.
We're not.
Yeah.
I wish we were.
It would be nice.
Get to the point.
What,
Ornate thing.
Yeah, you seen these before, Reese?
These?
Yes.
I've seen the one everyone has, the Masterpiece Collection.
This is not the Masterpiece Collection.
But not this one.
So, this was the ornate fan that Sears sold that predated the, Lasco remote fan that everybody has one of. I still love them. There's one in my parents' rec room, but yeah, this predates that.
Mm-hmm.
I think this was the first remote fan that Sears sold.
Okay.
The moth over there.
And there were a few different variations of this. I'm looking very much for the first variation that had a Fasco drop flywheel kind of thing.
So like an early 1895 or something?
Before 1895, it would have had the
So like that?
Yes, but the later version. You ever seen a KB55 Designer?
Yes, I have.
That kind of flywheel.
Alright.
I would love one of those.
Kind of curved flywheel or whatever.
No, they're
I know.
cylindrical. But anyhow, I would love that. Then the next version after that has the stepped blade arms. There's actually one of those versions over there on the shelf. It's just in pieces, so we haven't gotten to it yet.
This one?
Yes.
This one is the Masterpiece, it looks like.
It's not.
God damn it.
I don't have a Masterpiece.
Oh.
And then this is the latest version, which has smooth blade arms in the 1895 style. It is remote control. We don't have the remote, so we've got it in bypass mode, and we're going to test it like a one-speed fan. And it would be reversible if we have the remote, but it is not reversible. There's no reverse switch on it right now. Is there?
No.
Do you want me to check?
What's that switch on the bottom? That's on-off?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
And
all
the switch on the top is just remote versus manual. So they gave you an option if you lost the remote.
Override?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will someday convert this, but it'll be low on my list of priorities.
Out of many.
Get your head out of the blades.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hit it. I assure you.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
He assures.
Okay, well, here we
I'll
go.
sign a hold harmless.
0 to high.
Plot twist. This is the one fan that falls.
0.89.
There'd be no reason for this to fall.
No.
Just to hurt me. It had kind of a whine.
There are a lot of other ways we can hurt you.
You heard that first, YouTube.
Yeah.
It had kind of a whine starting.
Yeah, it's got that kind of cool, powerful motor
Yeah.
whine.
I think the Lascos had that too.
Oh yeah, we
Well,
tested.
we can't really call them Lascos. They're Sanios, pretty much.
Why would you not call them Lascos? The final assembly was done at the Lasco plant in Pennsylvania, and they were labeled Lasco. They were sold as Lasco.
So, and also to confirm, all Lascos had the same motor. All of them.
Let me think about that, because I want to say yes. I mean, there's obviously different variations, like the smaller one in the 36-inch fans and bigger one in the 56-inch fans, and but they all, I believe, I'm trying to think if there's any example that didn't use that single bearing skeletal motor. It's the same motor in the top mounts that are entirely imported as are in the American assembled ones, like the Sears ones.
And the American Classics sold at Walmart.
Yeah, some had a more skeletal motor than others. Some had half a motor housing, and not motor housing, a motor casing, and some had a fully skeletal one. There's variations, but they're all metal pizza board. He hates this stuff. He just wants to get to the fan testing.
Fan noises.
Okay, so 8.9, 107
Let's
watts.
get a power factor of 1.
It is.
Yeah, I've said many times I think the KB55 is the best fan motor Emerson made.
Why?
Because they're very efficient. You rarely see them with bad bearings. They work very well on speed controls. They're usually silent on everything except sometimes solid state. I mean, so name a problem you've had with an earlier fan motor. Earlier Emerson fan motor. K63 ones run too hot and the bearings go bad.
My blender has somewhat bad bearings.
Yeah, K55 ones are not always that efficient, and depending on the type, sometimes they play better with speed controls than others. I've never had a problem with a KB55 motor.
Our Casablanca K55 bearings a whole other story.
They're the same thing. They're just a different shaft size, but they're the same bearing. The thing that puzzles me is Emerson used an entirely different motor design for Casablanca's K55s. They go faster in most cases. They use a different capacitor value. Like everything about them is different. And why? Why not? If you're going to design a better motor, why not put it in your own fans? But
And this is just a regular K55.
no, this is KB55.
What's a, so this is just a K55 but improved.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like if
no different than an 1895.
Right. So it seems like what happened is Emerson made the K55 for Casablanca, and then they just kind of stuck with the K63 design but put it in the K55 shell for themselves. And then when the 1895 series rolled around, Emerson was like, wait a minute, we improved this motor for Casablanca. Let's improve it even more for us.
Didn't Blender fans use some sort of weird K63 K55 mix?
The last ones used what's called a K55B, which
Yeah.
is a K55 with a K63 end bell.
Mhm.
You can just spin down.
Okay.
So they're different from KB55s?
Yes. KB55 and K55B are two entirely different motors.
So whenever I hear people call them K55B and I correct them, I'm wrong.
Well, you're often wrong. What did we decide I'm going to put the video up. What did we decide that original copy was called?
Commander.
But none of the literature that came with it called it a Commander. It was called a Greenleaf or a Greenfield, a Satellite,
is the most...
Jufeng.
Jufeng is air cool.
What did the literature say? Greenfield or Green Tube or...
Want to check?
It's like green.
I'm seeing... I'm seeing Summit.
I forgot about Summit. Good God. What isn't good for? Summit with an I, right?
Yeah.
Obviously.
Look at me with an E.
How else would it be spelled?
With an E.
Never heard of
Greenberg.
let me check.
Green shoots. Wow, why am I bleeding?
Greenview.
Green View. It's been a bug bite.
Oh.
I'm gonna
You
read
don't have a
it.
cut.
Tying back to the this is Jufeng air cool. It has Jufeng.
Green View is what I'm going to put on the video.
Okay.
Not
Well.
satellite.
I'm going to put that too.
Yeah. Now that we
Jufeng
have.
slash satellite slash Greenfield
Alright.
slash air cool.
I'm not putting air cool because it's not on any of the literature. I'm going to guess this is going to start on 2. What do you think, Reese Metal Pete?
We're two different people. I'm thinking 3.
What do you
Okay.
think? What do you want to do, Metal Pete?
Well,
You got
I'm
1,
gonna-
4, 5.
I'm gonna take the risk. Probably gonna lose, but that's okay. I'm gonna say 1.
Okay. With a KB55, you might be right. Let's get your head down from there.
I'm fine.
Okay, here it goes. 1. Nope.
Okay.
So here's 2. Who guessed 2?
I think I did.
I think I did. No, you did.
Okay, well.
Is it gonna keep going?
Yes.
Oh yeah, at that speed, yeah, it will.
Unless it gets in your big fat head, then it'll.
Not if I move with it.
He does this on mine too.
He's a moron there too, huh?
I'm not a moron.
No, but
My brain is just a box of rocks.
That's fair, actually.
3.
I like the scroll work.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, those are a copy of an antique GE, but I've never actually seen the GE version in real
What are
life.
Emperor's copying?
I always
4.
figured, I don't know this for sure, I always figured they were a copy of a Broadway, which is a copy of an antique Dayton. What was the question that you asked before, and then I got sidetracked before?
And here's 5.
The Sears. Oh, Lasco. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
So, do they all use the same motors? I want to say yes, but I haven't actually taken them all the way apart enough to say that. Like, I'm not.
Concrete.
Yeah, I'm not like Chandru, who will just have a guess about something and then tell everybody like it's fact. Don't be like Chandru.
Well, here's a perfect low right here.
Well, what's that? 5?
Yeah, that's
This is
5.
I would do 4 then. That's a little
I got
fast for me. It's not bad though.
So 4, 7, 11.
Well, we'll see if
I think my only problem with the lows is that sometimes they can be
6.
too fast. I don't like how R&M originals can be too fast of a low.
That's true. Two-speed fans in generally do.
I feel like at that point, just convert them to 3-speed if you really want that.
Yep.
That's fair.
Okay, here's 7. This would be like a medium low.
Not bad.
Or 8. I'm gonna let 8 get up to speed.
But so in answer to your question, even before that one, and while I'm giving Chandra a hard time, so a fan made by a certain fan company
10.
out of Indiana that shall remain nameless. What do you call those?
What they're called, what they're branded as.
What are they branded as? You can say it.
Fanimation.
Okay, or if they're sold at Lowe's, what are they sold
Harbor
as?
Breeze.
Okay, so but some of those are made by Aircool.
12.
Yeah.
So why don't we call them Aircools?
Because they're more recognized. I'd give them a name that more people would recognize. Like, oh yeah. That's
So
okay.
by the same reason, even if Lasco didn't assemble anything in Pennsylvania, even though the majority of the parts were made in Japan at the Sanyo factory, we still should call them Lascos because that's what they were sold as and branded as. And they were not the ones that were branded as Sanyos. We call Sanyos. The ones that were branded as Lascos, we call Lascos.
The ones that were branded as Sears, we call Sears.
Well, but those are still branded as Lasco though.
Right.
Because
Sears, Lasco,
if you
turn of the century.
I actually had when I got my first
13.
When I got my first turn of the century with the remote, it's like the later version of this one that's ornate on the bottom,
yeah,
you know what I'm talking about, the Lasco remote Sears. Yeah. So when I got that,
14.
and I didn't have, I think, 15. The remote. I actually called up Sears to see if I could order the remote. This was back in the 90s. I was your age.
You were called like Sears Direct or whatever.
Yeah. And guess where they sent me?
Lasco.
Yep.
Okay.
Like
16.
Literally, Sears was not secretive about the fact that Lasco made our fans at that time.
Like you could, and did you order the parts?
I decided
17?
not to because they probably wanted like $50 for it, and I was a kid, and I probably paid $5 for it at a garage sale. You know.
You're like, I'm just a kid.
You know.
I'm not spending that much money. That's a whole other. That's like 10 fans.
And then when I got the number for Lasco, I found the old guy that worked there for years, and I sent him a picture of what we now call a Dayton Lasco. But back then, we only knew them to be Daytons. And I was like, "Did you guys make these?" And he's like, "Yeah, I remember making those." So I mean, even Lasco considered them their fans.
Okay, so that's good to know.
Yeah.
That's
so
very good.
Fuck you, Chandru.
9.
I don't approve of that message.
Oh.
I'm remaining unbiased.
Really?
20.
You were fine with the signs that I put up all over Fanimation.
I am remaining unbiased. I am the
Okay,
I
we're
am
on
the mediator.
20.
I am the neutral party.
Okay, Cole.
22. 25.
Not even gonna respond to that.
30.
Why'd you call me Cole?
Because he's Sweden in the fan collector world.
And he doesn't have opinions.
If he
Doesn't
does, he
give
doesn't
any.
share them, at least not publicly.
You gotta remember, he also reviews fans for products.
He does. He does a great job.
Yeah.
I wish I had the time and patience to be as
Did you review a Rossetti?
I've reviewed a bunch of stuff. Yeah, a bunch of companies send me stuff too,
Yeah.
just not as many. I don't seek it out the way that he does.
Not gonna lie, those
And I
Rossettis
maxed
that have
out.
just the motor, the Gran
Yeah.
Torinos, I'd just like slap a housing on it.
Well, I'm thinking about taking that motor out of that one and putting it in this one.
You can always put that housing on there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm maxed out with not going over.
Okay.
Because if I hit high, I'm at 0.89.
Absolutely no one.
There was no inrush either.
Absolutely no one. Dan during a video. Okay. You say that a lot too.
Sometimes I'm having a whole conversation inside my head, and I will agree or disagree with myself.
Like out loud.
Yeah.
I've also noticed in some of your videos you sort of mumble sing.
Not on purpose. I probably don't notice I'm doing that.
Well, I think I've seen it in a few of your videos. It's not common. You haven't done it in a while.
Well, if you're ever here, point it out because I don't realize that I'm doing it. But
Or the whistling.
Oh yeah, I used to whistle all the time.
Like in public places, you're just like, I can't whistle.
Alright. And I do
I can whistle.
solid state.
I cannot. That is. I cannot.
Do me a favor. Bring me that chrome motor. I'm gonna see if I can finish those things. Bring me bring me the motor and then the screws and the screwdriver, and stop hitting things.
No.
Oh well, hey, we found the one that we lost.
What
No.
do you know?
No, I don't think I will. You want to grab the rest of the thingy-bobbers?
Just
Yes,
grab the
and
container.
the doohickeys.
The doohickeys and the whatchamajiggers?
Yes.
Here you go.
So far,
Well, not that. That's no the screwdriver and the other screw.
the container screws.
Not the container screws. I just need the one. It's a little. I was gonna ask if it was gonna be buzzy with the variable speed, and it sounds like it's a little buzzy with the variable speed.
Are you talking about the last screw for
Yes.
the motor mount?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a little
coming up,
buzzy.
Mr. Newman.
Let's see if I can do this. Since I was just sitting here, I'm still having to type this effing work email.
Don't get demonetized, my man.
You can cuss on YouTube.
No, you can't. They'll demonetize you. You don't get your revenue.
They
I'm
haven't
pretty
objected yet.
I'm pretty sure I looked up what I make on YouTube on this site. I make like 50 cents a year.
I make a pretty good YouTube income, but it's because of the combination of music and fans. Fan videos get more views, music videos get more subscribers, and so the combination works really well.
You ever considered separating your channel?
I have, but I would lose so much that I don't know if it's worth it.
It just seems like a lot of effort.
A lot of effort that it might end up with less money, less views, less whatever. Like, what's the downside to keeping them together, you know?
It's harder to find fan videos.
No, it's not. It's not hard to
I
find
mean,
fan videos at all.
Yeah, you have a playlist of testing fans, but there's probably 1,500 fans in there.
Yeah, they're just sorted by date. And then you get the newest
You've
ones.
probably tested 1,500 fans in the time period from when I've met you to now.
Probably.
Okay, and it's drawing the same current though, but
At the
yeah, it's a
moment-
little noisy.
A little noisy, yeah. These usually are because they're metal on metal.
Yep.
Random thought, at the moment, how many do you think you have?
Fans?
Yeah,
Don't even know.
too many to count.
Last I counted it was 500, and I've gotten fans since then.
How many?
I don't know.
You're not good with numbers, are you?
I'm good with numbers when I'm keeping track of them.
I think I have about, in terms of ceiling fans.
You didn't bring me the screwdriver, did you?
I can do that. I thought you had one.
Not a Phyllis.
A Phyllis head.
Phyllis head.
Okay, well that's actually all for this. We
Okay.
did 0 to high.
Oh, the next fan is actually ready to go.
Okay, let's stop the video.
I will stop the video. Thanks for watching.